In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the pesky Steam Api.Dll file missing error in just 5 minutes. If you've been dealing with this issue, you know how frustrating it can be when you're all set to enjoy your favorite game, only to encounter this error. But worry not. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this and get you back to your gaming adventures in no time. First, let's begin by opening the Steam client. Once you've got it running, head over to your library. This is where you can access all of your installed games. Browse through and find the game that's been giving you the Steam Api.Dll trouble. Once you locate the game, right-click on it and select Properties from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you'll open up a window with various options for that particular game. In the Properties window, you'll want to navigate to the tab labeled Installed Files, although some versions might call it Local Files. Here, you'll find an option to verify integrity of game files. What this does is, Steam will check your game files for any discrepancies or missing files, including that troublesome Steam Api.Dll file. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and relax while Steam takes over. It might take a few minutes for the process to complete, especially with larger games, as Steam will thoroughly check all the files. Once this verification process is done, try launching the game again. Very often, this simple verification process will fix the missing DLL error by restoring any corrupt or missing files. However, in some cases, this method might not resolve the issue. If you still encounter the error, you might need to manually download and place the DLL file yourself. For this step, you'll need to download the Steam Api.Dll file, making sure to use a reputable DLL download website to ensure you're getting the correct and safe version of the file. After downloading the file, you'll need to place it in the game's directory. Typically, this directory is located within your Steam folder, under Steam Apps and Common, followed by your game's title folder. Simply drag and drop the downloaded Steam Api.Dll file into this folder. Once you've placed the DLL file where it belongs, try running the game once more. Following these steps should help resolve the Steam Api.Dll missing error, allowing you to dive back into your gaming adventures unimpeded. Remember, keeping up with regular updates and using reliable sources for file downloads is crucial for maintaining the smooth operation of your games. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick guide helped solve your problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and gaming guides. Happy gaming!